Hey, what's up guys? Jack from SnapSolar. We're back with a big announcement. The highly anticipated, game-changing product to hit the Australian battery market, the all-new Tesla Powerwall 3. As you guys know, we only stock the best here at SnapSolar. Premium brands like BYD, Feronius, and reliable brands like SunGrow. I'm really excited to have the Tesla Powerwall as part of our new range. Anyway, enough about this, let's get this bad boy unboxed. So guys, stay tuned. We're going to get this bad boy installed, and man, I tell you, if this performs half as well as it looks, we're going to be in for some really good surprises. If you want to find out more information about the new Tesla Powerwall 3, or you want to inquire about some pricing, or if Tesla Powerwall 3 will work on your home, reach out to the team at SnapSolar, click the link below, or reach out to the nearest branch in either Mackay or the Sunshine Coast. Alright guys, stay tuned for the next video. I'm Jack and this is SnapSolar.